Hello and welcome to this YouTube video and its series of linear algebra and also in the series of end-to-end machine learning course. So in this video we're going to talk about the identity matrix, an inverse of a matrix and a transpose of a matrix. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the identity matrix. So what is this? So let's see the definition of that. The identity matrix I, when multiplied by any other matrix which have to be a same dimensions, results the original matrix or the same matrix. It's just like that we are multiplying the numbers by 1. So let me give you the detail, it will be clear. So for any matrix X, we multiply X times our identity matrix equals to identity matrix times X equals to X. So here identity matrix plays a role of 1, and whenever I multiply by 1, it results in the same matrix. Okay, now let's see some of the examples of this. So you might be thinking that how we can identify the identity matrix, what does identity matrix look like? So here is an example of that. The 2 by 2 matrix, the 3 by 3 matrix. So you find a pattern here. You find a pattern that the diagonals are 1 and elsewhere we have 0. The diagonals are 1 and elsewhere there are 0. Okay, now you might be thinking that the matrix multiplication property says that whenever we multiply two matrices, it should not be commutative. So why we have done here, why we have done we are equal, why don't unequal? Because let me tell you, whenever we multiply a matrix by identity matrix, it's commutative, but whenever we multiply a matrix by a matrix, so it's not a commutative, which is this. Another way it is commutative, the second one. Okay, so this was the some talks about the identity matrix. Now let's talk about the inverse of a matrix or matrix inverse. So let's first talk about, so here we have the details, and let's say assume that A, the inverse of a matrix A is denoted by A superscript minus 1, and it's also we can think of it as A superscript minus 1 A, which always results in the identity matrix. So let's assume that we are going to get 1 by how that A times 1 by A. I think that we studied in exponents that A superscript minus 1 is always equals to 1 by A. Okay, now we multiply A, cut it down, then again A, cut it down, we have 1 1 1. Okay, so nothing, it is all identity. Now let's take a look at the last topic of the video, is that the matrix transpose. So what is a matrix transpose? We will take a look at this also, and when we are talking about a linear regression or various algorithms. So what is this? So here we have our matrix A. So what we have to do to transpose this matrix? So the transposition of a matrix is just like we are rotating this matrix into 90-degree clockwise direction and then reversing it, and then reversing it. So when we rotate the matrix, this A matrix at 90-degree and clockwise and then reversing it, we get this. So by A transpose, you might have seen here is that A transpose here, and what we are doing, we have to just it's come here and it's come here. Okay, so we have just A transpose and we got this stacking this from there and the first and there. Okay, so I think that you got a better intuition about identity matrix and matrix inverse and a matrix transpose. I think that you had got a intuition about why the identity matrix is commutative, why the matrix multiplication is not commutative. So that's it for this video, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, press the notification bell so that you never miss my videos updates, and also share this video so that others can also get benefit from this video. Also recall, sharing is caring. Thank you for seeing this video. Till then, bye bye.